Hello guys, welcome back to Mupta Guru. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe our channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to set up your IP proxy. So should in case when you buy your IP proxy, the next thing all you need to do, maybe you have your IP address, all you need to do is you just go to your turn to tab. You can use either turn to tab or super proxy. So I'm going to be copying my IP address. If I have my IP address with this platform, all I need to do is just copy my IP address. Understand? When I copied it, just go to my download this turn to tab is very good. Then if your IP address have this thing username and password, you can just go and enable the authenticator. So Jonix mostly use they just use your distant details without no IP digits like other IP address. You understand, like other IP address that has ports. This is IP and ports. So this is the IP for according to Jonix proxy. This is the IP and this is the ports. So I'll be dropping the link in my description so that you can register and buy the IP address. They have good IP address. You can also watch the videos on my channel, understand, on how you'll be able to buy the IP address. You can see the video. I think I have the video here. So just scroll, you see how to register and buy your IP address. Here's it, how to buy your IP address, how to buy your best proxy from Jonix. So I'll be dropping the link in the description. So let's just go ahead and do our this. So here's the username and the password. So I'm copying that. I'm copying the username. I'm gonna copy the username. So this is the username. So I'm copying the password now. Alright, this is the password. So I'm copying the password. Okay. Alright, so good. So I'll copy the password. So all I need to do is just connect. So I'm connecting my IP address. Already I've set up the 20 tab now. So alright, good. It has been connected. Look at the VPN icon at the top. So all I just go to the browser and just search. Sorry, let me just refresh. Because the UK IP address I bought, okay, wow. You can see we have already connected to our UK IP address. Then the ISP is Virgin Media. So you can go watch the video and you see everything. So if you're new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel to get us to 1,000 subscribers, and also do well to share this proxy platform to all your friends that need to buy IP address. The IP address is very good. So you can just go and do your review, and also let me just show you the platform. You can see here's the platform. So look at the platform. It's a very nice and friendly platform. So you can see. So when buying your IP address, go to this residence. Go to this resident order. Don't buy from IP4 or IP6 or ISP orders or mobile. Just go to this resident order and buy your gigabytes. You enjoy it very well. So if you are new, maybe you want to fund your account after register, just go to this add GB. Then you either buy 1 gigabyte for $3 or 3 gigabytes for I think 7 point something, 7.50. So you can buy 1 gigabyte or look at 500 MB as well, 1.99, as low as 1.99. Also, you can see your 1 gigabyte as $3. So when you're selecting this, just go to order purpose. Understand? Go to order purpose, then you select what? Select PayPal. Just go for PayPal option. Then you pay either with your Visa card, MasterCard, Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal, USD, or cryptocurrency, or maybe you have balance. You can pay from your balance if you want to pay for your balance. So I'm not buying now because I already have accounts with them. So this is the IP. I've already set up my IP address. So I told you guys how to. If you want to watch, you can go and watch the video. I'll be adding the video where you watch how to register and also buy IP address. You can buy both US and UK. You can buy for all your accounts. You can buy both for any of the country, United States. We have for United States, United Kingdom. Then you can also buy for United States. United States. Then you select your region. Which region do you want? Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, whatever California, Colorado. Look at many Florida. We have many regions is here. So then you're good to go. When you select any of the region, let me just select one of the regions so that you can see. And just go for New York. Then you go to which of the city. You can go for New York City. Understand? Just go for New York City. Whatsoever. If there's no New York, let's see maybe there's New York City. Okay. I think there's no New York City available right now. So just pick any of the city. Then you go for the zip code. Okay, I'm not okay. This is um Mexico. So this one is for New York. So you just go select New York. So I think this New York. All right. This New York City. So picking up the ISP, Verizon, Optimum, Spectrum, Comcast, so on and so forth. Those are the best ISP. Then go for these, then select format, change the format, then you get your IP address. Boom, you're good to go. Same process you can also do for United Kingdom, and also select either England, Scotland, and Wales or whatsoever. Then you can just go for your what? Pick of the city, maybe any of the city you want. Then you can go for BT. BT is not bad. Come here also go for Sky broadband. It's not bad. Then let me just give you the best ISP that you can use. Just come here, just look for any of the city. So you can go for Vodafone, Talk, Virgin Media. So those are the best ISP that I can recommend for survey for you. And you won't have any issue with them. There's a format of the IP. How do you want your IP to be? Stuff is your IP ports, then login and password. And don't forget IP address that from I told you already from the beginning of the class. So that's just it. So please do well to subscribe our channel as a new member and also share to your loved ones. So I think this is how to go about it. And here's your IP address. Boom, your IP address is very good. This IP address I just purchased. So here's my IP score. Just come and search for IP score. Make sure you do your in-depth analysis as well when buying it. Do your in-depth analysis. IPscore.io. Use IPscore.io. Do your in-depth analysis. Check your fraud score. Scroll. There's a residential IP address. Scroll down. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Fraud score 2. That is amazing. That is amazing. Come here and look for. So this also to confirm your IP address. Good. Let's go ahead check your IP address. Fraud score. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's not high, so you're good to go. It's not high. You're good to go. You're good to go for a survey. So this is how to check your IP address before you start your survey. Once again, welcome to Tech Guru. I am your number one survey and also tech tutorial masters. Do what subscribe our channel once again.